Welcome to this beach meditation. Calm yourself down, relax your shoulders, release any tension in any part of your body. Take a few deep breaths now. In and out. In and out. Last one. All right. Now we're going to slowly and calmly become more relaxed. Consciously and slowly breathe. Observe any thoughts that may be going on. Allow them to be there. Slowly breathe. Listen to the beautiful ripples of the ocean and allow them to just fade away. Release any tension in your forehead, near your eyes, near your nose, near your mouth, and release any tension in your jaw. Now continue to go down your body, down your chest, your abdomen, continue to consciously and slowly breathe. Release any tension in your intestines. And calm yourself down. Release any tension near your pelvis area. Continue to work yourself down to your knees now. All the way down to your feet. Your body has been fully relaxed. Give your body permission to switch off, turn off. Repeat that. Turn off everything in your body. And just be one with your environment. Enjoy the rest of your day.